Yan, ako gov ka ng ang amu-amangong agreements with the Department of Education dito gina sa local government unit kung kinsa ang nidaog sa bidding o kinsa ang nibid. So maghangyo lang ko sa inyo ha nga at the local level na amoy partnership and understanding sa syudad sa Cebu o sa probinsya sa Cebu para sa pagpadagan nato sa palarong pagbansa. Ana si Gov na wala na problema. So nitawag na si Mayor Rama, nitawag na si Governor Gwen Garcia. Nga magsila kog, sige. Pero wag yun ko mubalibad sa ilaha. Ang gibuhat na ako, nag-ampo yun ko, Lord God, mudaog unta yun ni sila. Santo Niño, please lang. Please lang yun, padaugan ni sila. I never called, never told the secretariat kung kinsa ang pilion. Sige lang yung kong ampo sa Santo Niño na madaog yun ang Cebu. Pagkahuman, humanatan na ng proseso. I was not a part of it. I never joined any meeting. Nangutanak ko, kinsa may nidaog na sa Cebu. Ay, nakaanak ito. Salamat, Lord. Thank you, Santo Niño. Daghang salamat. So, yung kakulba para sa ako ang selection sa palarong pambansa tungod kay nagsigi kog tando sa Cebu City pero wala gyud ko mobuhat nga maingon nga gi-impluwensyahan nako ang resulta sa pagpili. So you did it on your own. And congratulations sa inyong tanan. It must have been a very convincing pitch for the palarong pambansa. Kay unanimous. Yes, unanimous ang vote for Cebu City. And I know it was not easy because nag-host na pod ang Davao City. When I was mayor, nag-host ang Davao City o palarong pambansa. And dili-dali ang mangandam para mangumbinsi sa committee na pilion ang syudad. After 30 years, it returns to Cebu City, having hosted it twice before, in 1954 and 1994. And it seems that 4 is a lucky number for palarong pambansa and Cebu City tungod kay 2024 inyong hanapon ang palaro. I would like to thank Cebu City, led by Mayor Mike Rama, and our Vice Mayor and our City Councilors for the responsibility for generously accepting the responsibility of hosting the 64th edition of the Palarong Pambansa. Yeah, quadruple 4, no? The unique character and vaunted hospitality of Cebu City will make this year's Palaro even more memorable for all our student athletes. Today, as we gather here, we affirm our unwavering dedication to strengthening our support for young athletes. Our primary goal is to equip them with the necessary tools to nurture discipline, resilience, and the indomitable spirit required to pursue their athletic passions. Our collective mission is to empower them on their path to achieving professional excellence in the realm of sports. Furthermore, the Memorandum of Agreement between the Department of Education and the local government of Cebu City underscores our shared commitment to creating the optimal environment for our young athletes to interact, to compete, and to excel. This commitment extends to promoting their physical, intellectual, and social well-being. The Palarong Pambansa is an integral part of our efforts to strengthen our grassroots sports programs, granting various opportunities for sports-inclined youth and exposing them to real-life experiences in their chosen sports. I wholeheartedly believe that Cebu City, in fact, very excited that Cebu City will ensure a well-secured and world-class venue for our learners to showcase their abilities and will guarantee a memorable palaro for all the delegates. On another level, each edition of the Palarong Pambansa provides the opportunity to strengthen the collaboration between the Department of Education, the local government units, as well as other national government agencies to holistically develop the Matatag learning. Let us work together to provide the best avenue for our Filipino young athletes to showcase their talents, determination, resiliency, and love for sports and our country. Mga kababayan, patuloy po tayo maging matatag tungo sa pagtaguyod ng isang bansang makabata at mga batang makabansa. Ang lahat po ng ginagawa natin ay para sa Diyos, sa bayan at sa pamilyang Pilipino. Sa karami.